Hello everybody, my name is David. This is Simply Airguns. Today we're going to take a look at the Zulus V2 on top of the Alpha Standard. And I've got a place where I can stretch this out just a wee bit, get out to 50 yards. And I had several people that were interested in what it would do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some I think JTS 2207, I think, in here, and set up a target at 50 yards, and I'll show you what the range looks like, and then I think I'm just going to record through the scope and let you see what it does. And that's about what we're going to do for now. I'm at my mom's house today. Tomorrow, let's see, today, 2 days, she will be 91 years old. And so I'm down here spending most of my time with her, so this is going to be kind of short. I am going to throw these down there. I'll let you listen to the audio from the scope, I think. I'll see how it works. And I'm not going to set up a range camera. All the shooting's going to be done through the Zulus V2. All right, I'm going to show you where the target is out there. And now I'm going to set this back over here, and I'm going to edit out me getting in the prone position, because it's not a pretty thing. You know, since I broke my back, I don't do that too well. Okay, we're recording on the camera, on the scope, should I say, and I'm gonna, I don't know what all this records, don't remember, but it shows the cant and it shows the angle, and this zooms in little steps. Alright, and this is the 5-20 version. I can't even shoulder this in this position, so I don't know how good this is going to group, but we're going to give it a shot. And I'm recording this on my phone just in case. You know what? Let me make sure I'm recording on my phone. Okay. Alright, got the scope camera going. I can't shoulder this. Don't know what the accuracy is going to be, but we're going to shoot a 10-shot group. Oh, let me see what the range is. Let's see. I can't get down here to... "56 yards. Okay. Okay. And I didn't zero this, so I just roughed it in at 30 yards. I thought these were shooting C's, but apparently not. I hear talking. I don't know where. And I don't remember if I said or not, but this is a community area behind my mom's house, so I can't just sit here and blast away. Wow, that was... I know I hear talking somewhere. Maybe across the pond. I don't see anybody. That was it. Alright, I'm gonna go get the target. It doesn't look like, it looked like the group was doing pretty good. Didn't look like it wasn't. So let me go get the target and we'll look at it a little closer. Alright, so this was the Zulus V2 for the scope, and for the stand it was an Alpha Standard by Air Venturi. Let's take a look at the target real quick. What I'm seeing, I had 6 shots through a fingernail size hole at, what was that, 56 yards I think, and then I got these 4 around the perimeter. I don't know if it's wind, I don't know if it's me. From the prone position, I can't really do prone since I broke my back. I can't shoulder the air gun. I just can't. So there was some movement there, and you could see through the scope. I'm assuming the scope footage came out. I don't know what the audio sounds like. I was recording with this microphone also, so if the audio on the scope isn't good, I'll use this audio. If the audio on the scope is decent, I'll use the audio from the scope, and you'll know before I do, because I haven't edited this yet. But anyway, 6 shots here, 4 around the perimeter. The wind did start picking up. I was going to try to do this video a day or 2 ago, and I've just not had cooperation from the weather at all. So whether that's wind or whether it's just the fact that I can't shoulder this thing, the fact that I've got 6 of them in basically a big ragged hole, says there's a lot of potential there. And this was with the JTS 22.07 pellets, and this hasn't been tuned, touched, anything, completely stock. And I think with a little tuning, the shot count will go up, the velocity may come down just a tiny bit, but overall I'm happy with this platform right here. Really enjoying this, and I'll get some more footage for you when I can. Appreciate it. If anybody made it to the end of this, I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna throw a video up over here you might like. YouTube's gonna throw one down there you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.